Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Zero X Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Let's tap. Then let's tap on date and time right here, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, like for example set date or set time. It is because we are using the automatic options, so first of all we have to turn them off. So let's tap on auto set time and mark off. Confirm it with OK, and now as you can see those options are active. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on the switcher to turn it off, and now we can freely select the time zone. So let's start with the date. Just tap on this option. Now we can change the month, the day and a year just by swiping. It's totally up to you, and confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time. Just tap on this option, set time, and now just by scrolling set the time you'd like to apply and confirm it with OK. It will be immediately applied on the status bar. Here we've got the time zone, so let's tap on select time zone, and we've been transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course we can use local default, which is more or less automatic option. And here we've got an additional option which is called dual clock, and basically your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one from the place of your choice. So you can choose totally different city, for example. It's totally up to you. You can just tap on it and hear the time zone. What is more, we can change the clock format. So now we've got the 24-hour clock format. You can set the 12-hour one just by tapping on the switcher here. So this is how it works. And this is also the manual customization of date and time. If you'd like to go back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just tap on this auto set time and tap on either network provided time or GPS provided time and confirm it with OK. Here tap on the switcher to use the automatic time zone. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.